great success story is the only proof that you have given your dreams your very best. Welcome, my dear audience. I am Simran. Welcome you on this show, The Success Stories. I would like you to introduce our guest for today, Yash Pilar. He is a professional fashion choreographer, runway director, and a grooming expert. So, Yash, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Simran.
So, Yash, tell us something about your journey.
About my journey. My journey was started as an engineer, as an engineering student, and I was doing engineering, and I got lot of failure in engineering in my engineering career. There was a thing I was doing events, fashion events, and also I was organizing the events in my college fets. So that boosted me up. Okay, that gave me confidence that I can be into this industry, into the event industry. But I have done everything, but my main subject was the fashion show. The fashion show. I used to choreograph. I used to uh, promote myself as a model. Also, I used to take parts. Then slowly, because of my teachers and because of my seniors, they have given me such confidence that I can be into this field. And after engineering, I choose as a my career as a show director and a fashion choreographer.
So, Yash, tell us something about your journey.
About my journey. My journey was started as an engineer, as an engineering student, and I was doing engineering, and I got lot of failure in engineering in my engineering career. There was a thing I was doing events, fashion events, and also I was organizing the events in my college fets. So that boosted me up. Okay, that gave me confidence that I can be into this industry, into the event industry. But I have done everything, but my main subject was the fashion show. The fashion show. I used to choreograph. I used to uh, uh, promote myself as a model. Also, I used to take parts. Then slowly, because of my teachers and because of my seniors, they have given me such confidence that I can be into this field. And after the engineering, I choose as a my career as a show director and a fashion choreographer.
So, really nice to hear about, all about you. Okay, sir. Okay, Yash. So, what got you into this profession?
Me, as I said you that I had failed in my engineering times, so I was about to quit my engineering studies. But my teachers gave me that confidence. My teachers told me I am very much thankful to my teachers. Whatever I'm here is because of my teachers, because they have motivated me that doesn't matter if you're not good in academics, see where you are good in. So I was good in the events, I was good into the extracurricular activities, so they have given me a chance. They have selected me as a GS of my college, and I used to conduct the events, the fashion shows and other events. So that brought me into this industry. After I got my result, after 6 years, I had done engineering for 6 years. Most probably it is for 4 years, but I faced two drops in my engineering. So after that, I choose this field. I just wanted to try out my luck in this industry. And when I had done my first show in March last year, so after that I continuously got shows and shows and shows. So I never looked back, and now I'm here.
So, Yash, who inspired you in your life?
Uh, the most important role who inspired me was my dad. Not into this field, but about the career level and the hard work, about the dedication, about the patience. I had seen him when I was a child. Also, many things were there. I seen him that the punctuality, quality, the hard work, flexibility, how he treats his children, everything. So he inspired me to look up to me that what I can do, okay, about my qualities. And obviously Milind Soman, everyone knows who is Milind Soman. He's the god of modeling, and he's also the Iron Man of India. So I was seeing him from my childhood. So he also inspired me. I took a lot of, I got to learn a lot of things from him about in the modeling sector. So he inspired me, and obviously my friends, my teachers were the part of it, which played a vital role in my this career.
Okay.
Okay.
Really good to know that you had such an inspiring people in your life. Okay. So Yash, any memorable event or an unforgettable moment till now?
Many people means being into the show direction and fashion choreography, we have to work under pressure. So I was ready for that, and there was an event. I will not take the name of the event. There was an event when while the sequence was going on, suddenly the music system has collapsed. I think so. Some short circuits have happened. So at that time, the show must go on. Okay, we were given a deadline of 10 p.m. Usually we have to just finish off the show before 10 p.m. So the organizer got pissed off that how this can be get treated. So the DJ said that it will take an hour and half an hour to recreate all the sequence. So I thought I was not having the time. They will just cut my choreography. They will just cut the sequences, and how the judges will judge if they will not conduct any sequence. So what I had done, I was having the JBL my practice speakers. Okay, I was having the speakers in which we were used to do practice in the practice session. So I had brought that JBL speaker. I had placed 5 mics in front of the JBL speaker, and I connected my mobile. I was having the music, and I had played. So it has given that effect about that sound system effect. So the organizer was so happy that we haven't stopped. Okay, I just got only 2 minutes to think over it, and it just clicked me that we are having the JBL speaker. The sound was low, but yeah, the sequence we had started, and it has finished off. So yes, the show was done.
Yash, really good to know that you had such a situation and you solved within minutes. Okay. So next is, how has this lockdown affected you?
Yeah, it has affected everyone because my work is that to interact with people. Face-to-face interaction is necessary in my field. So yes, for last 5 months I'm at my place only. I never gone outside. There was not any shows outside. So it has affected, but it haven't just lowered my confidence. I had found many things. I had researched many things. I'm also writing a book on the inside out in the modeling industry. I'm just working on it. So yeah, it has affected, but yeah, my work is going on. I'm also doing the online pageants, also doing the grooming part. So yes, and soon I'm also going to launch my YouTube channel. So I'm working on that.
So Yash, can you tell us something about your book? Like, what is it about?
My book is about the guidance in the modeling industry, about the guidance in the film industry. Many people have so much of money, but they don't have any right guidance. Okay, they just get bullied up by the fake people. So I'm writing a book on that. That what should be a right guidance. Okay, if you want to be a model, then what things you should possess first of all. When you're going to give an audition, then what things you should have in you. So I'm writing a book about that, the inside out of about this industry. So I will not tell everything. Just I am waiting to launch my book, and then
Oh, yeah, really, really helpful and inspiring for many other, strugglers and newcomers who are there, who are like about to come in the industry. It will be really helpful to the all.
yes, I hope so.
Hope for the best. Yash, during this crucial time, did you ever think to change profession?
No, because of this, people know me. So I haven't thought to change my profession. Because of this profession, I get noticed. So I haven't thought to change my profession. I just implemented my time to grow more and more. What I can do further when this pandemic gets over, what I can launch my creative concepts. I'm working on that. So it has haven't pulled me up to change my decision.
Okay, so as I said, this lockdown hasn't affected you much. You're so focused, still focused in your life. So all the best for it. Okay, Yash. Where will you see yourself in the next few years?
In next few years, okay. I just want to represent my country at an international level.
Okay.
So I can tell you that I don't know. I can predict where I can be in next 5 years or 10 years. But the hard work I'm doing, the preparation time I'm investing. So yes, I'm doing it for the international level. So my country can, so I can represent my country, and that will be a proud moment for me. So I'm just working on me. I have faith in my work. I have faith in my hard work. So whatever the things I'm doing, that I'm on the right path. So let's see. When the opportunity will come that I will represent my country at an international level.
That's such a great thinking you having and a great plan to represent your country. It's really nice. Okay, Yash. So, how do you feel to be associated with Trident Communications?
Oh, it's my privilege to get associated with Trident Communication, especially Mr. Shiv sir. He is very calm. He is very honest in his work, and I like to work with such people who gives such a good platform to the aspiring models, and also various people are attached with this Trident Communication. So it's my privilege to work with Trident Communications.
Okay, that's really nice. We are happy to help you out in any way. Okay, so how do you plan to give this success back to the society and help the social change for good?
The first important thing is that I can give a right guidance to the people. If I can guide the people, I will not misguide the people. The first and foremost thing, I will just give a right guidance, how to plan a network, how to develop the qualities in each of you. So I can help in that. That's a grooming part, and also I will share some network which I have, some casting assistant, so I can give that. So the main important thing is guidance. So in this industry, if you have a right guidance, if you are surrounded by the right network, then yes, you can achieve your goal. So I can help in that.
Really positive and really helpful. So, Yash, what's the message in the end you would like to give to your viewers during this COVID?
Okay. I just want to tell people this is a preparation time. Okay, prepare yourself. Okay, where you can live nice life in the next 40 years. Okay, think about the next 40 years which you want to live. Okay, this is a preparation time. Examine yourself, find the X factor. What is your X factor? And work on that, and interact with new people. Try to make new connections, a proper network, and after these things get opened up, just execute that.
Okay, really nice, very nice. A very good and inspiring message for the people. Okay, Yash, so thank you so much, Yash, for joining us today. It was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you, Simran. Same here.